My video guide will provide you with instructions to remove the ransomware that is called Likeahorse. Likeahorse is a malware or ransomware that encrypts files and appends the Likeahorse extension to their file names. The video will demonstrate to you how exactly this ransomware affects the files. So before the ransomware attack, there are no problems opening the data. However, it might happen that because of certain vulnerabilities in the existing security system on your computer, this ransomware may be injected into the computer. First thing we recommend you to do is, you can first of all immediately open the task manager of your computer in order to stop the further file encryption. So if you see some suspicious processes here and their task, and this is the way to at least save some of the files from being damaged by the ransomware. Once again, run Task Manager, look for suspicious processes with long random names and end their tasks to stop the further files damage. Now, this is the ransomware message. The ransomware says that people need to pay the ransom for file recovery, but believe me, paying the ransom does not guarantee that the files will be restored. So, do not pay the ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner. You may download it through your Internet Explorer browser, because other browser shortcuts may be damaged by the ransomware. So start Internet Explorer browser, go to the website combocleaner.com in order to download Combo Cleaner installer. After it gets successfully installed, start the application and begin investigating your computer. Click on Start Scan button. The program Combo Cleaner will begin researching your computer. It will then give you the summary of threats that were found during the scanning. Then the program will show you the exact locations of all the threats that were found during the scan. You will be able then to remove these threats manually by going to the location of each threat and deleting it manually, or you might consider upgrading to the premium version to remove all these threats automatically. So, as we can clearly see, some of the threats were found so far. You will be able to find the exact location of this threat. You may go to this location to remove this threat manually one at a time, or consider upgrading to the premium version. That will help you to add special folders on your computer that will be protected from all other possible malware intrusion attempts.